The CSEC Accounting exam is an official subject examination offered by the Caribbean Examinations Council, CXC, for secondary-level students across the Caribbean. It assesses students' knowledge and skills in basic accounting principles, bookkeeping, financial statements, and internal control systems. Structure of the exam: Paper 1, multiple choice, 60 questions, based on the full syllabus, usually 1 hour, 15 minutes. Paper 2, structured questions, short answer and extended response questions. Students must apply calculations, prepare accounts, interpret data, usually 2 hours. Paper 3, SBA, school-based assessment, is required for school students. It's a project based on accounting principles. Private candidates complete a Paper 3-2 exam instead. Why students take CSEC Accounting? It prepares students for CAPE Accounting, business degrees, careers in finance, banking, auditing, management, entrepreneurship, and running their own business. Skills the exam tests: recording financial information, preparing accounting statements, applying rules of double entry, analyzing financial data, interpreting results, and making conclusions. What the CSEC Accounting exam covers. The exam focuses on the foundations of accounting, including the role and purpose of accounting, importance of accounting in business, users of accounting information, and accounting principles and concepts. Books of original entry, double entry system, journals, ledgers, cash book, and trial balance. These core accounting records are important for accurate record keeping and are tested on the exam. Final accounts: income statement, trading profit and loss, balance sheet or statement of financial position, and adjustments like depreciation, accruals, and prepayments are part of the CSEC Accounting exam. Accounting for sole traders and partnerships. This section covers capital accounts, profit sharing, and partnership changes, which students must understand for the exam. Control systems. Topics such as bank reconciliation, control accounts, and petty cash systems ensure students master internal controls and the protection of business assets. Inventory management. The exam covers inventory methods like FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average, along with stock-taking and valuation processes, which are vital for managing business resources. Payroll and accounting for wages. Students will encounter deductions and payroll calculations in the exam. Understanding how to record and process employee payroll accurately is crucial. Accounting for nonprofit organizations. The syllabus includes receipts and payments accounts, subscription accounts, and the accumulated fund, all specific to nonprofit financial management.
Here is a complete, easy-to-use CSEC Accounting study guide designed to help you understand every topic and prepare effectively for the exam. If you want, I can turn this into a PDF, flashcards, or a weekly study timetable. CSEC Accounting Study Guide, complete and student-friendly. 1. Understanding the exam papers and weighting. Paper 1, 60 multiple-choice questions. Paper 2, structured questions. Paper 3, SBA, project, schools, or Paper 3-2 exam, private candidates. Skills tested: recording transactions, applying double entry, preparing accounts, interpreting financial information, adjustments, accruals, depreciation, etc. Core topics to master: Introduction to Accounting. Learn: what is accounting? Purpose of accounting. Users of financial information, accounting terms, assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, expenses, accounting principles, going concern, prudence, matching, consistency. Books of original entry. Learn: general journal, purchases and sales journal, returns journals, cash book, single and double columns, petty cash book, impress system. Practice: identify which source documents go into which journal. Prepare cash book with discounts. Perform petty cash balancing. The double entry system. Learn: debit and credit rules, ledger accounts, posting from journals, balancing off accounts, extracting a trial balance. Practice: write out ledger accounts, balance accounts, correct errors not affecting the trial balance. Final accounts of a sole trader. Learn trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, adjustments such as depreciation, bad and doubtful debts, accruals and prepayments, returns, drawings, goods and cash. Practice. Prepare full sets of final accounts. Adjust for closing stock. Inventory, stock valuation. Learn FIFO, first in, first out. LIFO, last in, first out, weighted average. Practice. Calculate ending inventory. Prepare inventory tables. Control systems. Learn control accounts, debtors and creditors, bank reconciliation, petty cash systems. Practice. Reconcile bank statements, identify errors and omissions, prepare control account summaries. Accounting for partnerships. Learn partnership agreement, capital and current accounts, profit sharing, admission and retirement of partners. Practice. Prepare appropriation accounts, update capital accounts. Nonprofit organizations. Learn receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, subscription account, accumulated fund. Practice. Prepare subscription accounts, identify capital versus revenue items. Manufacturing accounts, sometimes tested. Learn prime cost, factory overhead, work in progress, cost of production. Practice. Prepare manufacturing, trading, and profit loss accounts. Weekly study plan, 4 weeks. Week 1, basics and double entry, accounting concepts, journals, ledgers, trial balance. Week 2, final accounts, trading, P&L, balance sheet, adjustments.
Week 3, control systems and special topics. This week focuses on important areas in accounting such as bank reconciliation, control accounts, partnerships, and nonprofits. Each topic is vital for a thorough understanding of financial record keeping. Week 4, practice questions and past papers. Students are encouraged to attempt past exams sections 1 and 2, time themselves, and work on their school-based assessment SBA if needed. Practice and self-assessment are key to exam success. Exam tips. Tip 1. Always show you're working. Even if the final answer is wrong, you still earn marks for your method and understanding. Examiners look for logical steps and valid processes, not just correct final answers. Tip 2. Memorize debit-credit rules. Small errors in double-entry accounting can cause major problems and confusion later in your financial statements. Understanding which transactions are debits or credits is foundational to accurate bookkeeping. Tip 3. Know your formulas. For example, depreciation is calculated as cost minus scrap value divided by useful life. Weighted average is total cost divided by total units. Remembering and applying the correct formulas can make a big difference in your results. Tip 4. Practice full accounts. This is the best way to improve your accounting skills. Consistently working through complete trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet exercises builds confidence and accuracy under exam conditions. Tip 5. Read questions carefully. The exam often hides important information within the details. Take your time, underline or highlight crucial words, and make sure you fully understand every requirement before answering. Free practice questions with answers upon request. 1. Prepare a double-column cash book given transactions for 1 week. 2. Post entries to ledger accounts and balance them. 3. Prepare a trading and profit and loss account for a sole trader. 4. Do a bank reconciliation problem. 5. Complete a subscription account for a club. Use these practical exercises to test and apply your knowledge and request answers for self-checking and improvement.